Hey, good morning. This is Matthew with ARAC Roof It Forward. I'm over here at Mr. Joe Hughes' home, attempting to do a repair on a wind crease shingle here. He's got around 90 wind crease shingles, so I'm going to attempt to do a repair on this shingle. It's creased right here, so I'm going to pull it out and put it back in. In order to do that, I've got to release all the shingles around it, get the nails out, and then put the shingle back in, lifting the shingles to about right there in order to not hit the edge of the shingle with the hammer. So I'm gonna do that now, just using a little flat scraper blade. This one's just torn already. It's bad. Using a flat blade to get the nails out. I again already see multiple places of damage here. One in which the shingle right here is torn and I've barely lifted the shingle. I haven't even lifted to put the nails back in. The other spots I've noticed is I've got multiple places of mat transfer, which I'll bring the camera in shortly and show you, and we'll go from there. here's your wind crease shingle. There's another one right beside it. I'm gonna now just put this shingle back in, just showing you attempted repair, and go from there before I put it back in. Yeah, there is some. Get you right here so you can see. It's mat transfer right here, as well as right here. It's just ripping the shingle. And I'll zoom in on the other ones. I'm not pulling those out, but I'll zoom in on the other ones to show you. See, just me attempting to slide it in. Shingles are just coming apart. All right, I'm gonna put the nails in now. I'll show you. You gotta lift them up enough to not hit the edge of the shingle with the hammer. So I'm gonna do that right here. I gotta get them up to about right there. Nails have to go in flush in order to not damage the shingle from the underneath, and that's why you have to lift it to here. I'll bring the camera in now a little closer to show you. This is the shingle that I pulled out right here. This was the crease on there. This is the top one just above it. You can see that it's torn the shingle. Make sure you can see that. It's torn the shingle. And then just underneath here, you can see the mat transfer right there, and right there, and right there. I'll show you. See, that's ripping off right here. It's ripping off. This shingle is like 19, 20 years old. And that's what happens when you go to do a repair. As well as this one right here, you've got quite a bit of creasing already starting right there. You can see how it's doing that. So torn, mat transfer, creasing on the shingles above. I don't know if you can see this closely, but see the grains coming off. Unfortunately, this shingle is just unrepairable in multiple different facets. Like I said, tearing of the shingle, you've got mat transfer, you've got creasing of the shingles above and around. So unfortunately, this shingle is not repairable. This roof needs to be replaced. Again, this is Matthew with ARAC Roof It Forward. Thanks for watching.